Hi everyone, welcome back to Undesign Craft channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet a cute little carrot as part of our vegetable series. This is a super fun and easy project, perfect for beginners, and also great if you just want a quick make. You'll learn how to shape the carrot body, add the green leaves on top, and keep everything neat and tidy as you go. This carrot can be used as a keychain, a play food for kids, or even as a decoration in your handmade veggie basket. For this project, you'll need some 4-ply yarn in the colors you like for the carrot body and leaves. I'll be using a 3mm crochet hook, a forceps or stuffing tool to help fill the carrot with fiber, a pair of scissors, and a needle for sewing. Let's start with the body. Begin with a magic ring and make 6 single crochets into it. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Then slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. And chain 1 to start the next round. We'll repeat this slip stitch and chain at the end and start of every round. Round 1. Work 1 single crochet and then 1 increase. Repeat this sequence 3 times. At the end, you'll have 9 stitches. Slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. If you find it hard to recognize the first stitch, you can place a stitch marker. For round 2, chain 1, then single crochet in every stitch around. That's a total of 9 stitches. Slip stitch to close the round and don't forget to chain 1 to begin each new round. In round 3, work 1 increase, followed by 2 single crochet. Repeat that sequence 3 times. For a total of 12 stitches. For round 4, simply single crochet in every stitch. From round 5 to round 10, follow the written pattern for increasing. By the end of round 10, you should have 21 stitches. Now for round 11 to 15, work single crochet in every stitch. No increases here. In round 16, we'll start decreasing. Work 5 single crochet. Followed by 1 invisible decrease. To do the invisible decrease, insert your hook into the front loop of the next 2 stitches, yarn under and pull through, then yarn under again and pull through both loops. Repeat this sequence 3 times, leaving you with 18 stitches. At this stage, you can also embroider the eyes and cheeks on round 10 if you'd like to give your carrot a cute expression. Leave about 3 stitches of space between them so the face looks balanced. Once the face is done, go ahead and fill the carrot with polyester fiber, making sure the shape stays nice and firm. Moving on to round 17, work 1 single crochet, followed by 1 invisible decrease. Repeat this sequence 6 times to bring you down to 12 stitches. For round 18, switch to a light yellow yarn. Tie a knot to secure. Then work 6 decreases. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Now that the carrot body is done, let's crochet the leafy top. Start with a magic ring. And work 1 single crochet into it. Then chain 4. And insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. Work 3 half double crochets down the chain. And that's 1 little leaf complete. Make another 4 leaves using the same sequence. Work 1 single crochet into it. Chain 4. Skip the first chain and work 3 half double crochets. And attach back with a single crochet into the magic ring. Pull the ring tight and you'll have a bunch of cute carrot leaves ready to attach. Once you've finished all the leaves, fasten off and leave a yarn tail. Then sew the leaves neatly on top of the carrot. Make sure they're nice and secure, and adjust them a little so they spread out like a real carrot top. And there you go. Our super cute crochet carrot is all done. Doesn't it look adorable with its leafy top? You can even try making it in different colors for fun. This carrot is part of our Veggie series, so stay tuned. More fun vegetables are coming next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your crochet friends. See you in the next video.